Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are super amazing. This is your teacher Aishi. Welcome to Swiflearn, India's most sincere learning destination for classes 1 to 10. I am back with another session on decimals. So we are going to learn about the operations of decimals. So till now we have learned about the types of decimals, about the place value in a decimal number, comparing decimal, rounding of decimals, right? So all these things I've covered in part 1, part 2 and part 3. Go and check them. All right, today we will be doing something on addition and subtraction of decimals. So before I dive into the topic, let me give you a brief description about Swiflearn for those who are new to this channel. So at Swiflearn, we provide 100% live and interactive classes at the comfort of your home and according to your convenient timings. Here in a single batch, we have a maximum of 6 students, never more than 6 students. And if you want, you can opt for a one-to-one tuition as well. We have a dedicated academic mentor team who is going to track your progress and guide you throughout your journey. We covered the syllabus as per the school exam schedule and handle custom requests as well. The key features of Swiflearn include at the end of every month, we are going to provide you with a detailed progress report and we are also going to share it with your parents. We recognize the importance of practice. Therefore, at Swiflearn, you can take unlimited practice tests. On every Sunday, you can also go for the scholarship test of Swiflearn, which is the Swiflearn Academic Test Series, SATs. And we not only cover objective questions, but subjective questions as well for your school exams. Okay, so go to the Swiflearn website and book a free trial class today. For those who are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit on the bell icon so that you never miss any update from us, as on this channel we share a lot of knowledgeable videos based on various topics and various subjects, and that is going to be really helpful to you. Our objectives for today is going to be on addition of decimals, subtraction of decimals and representing decimals on number line. Alright, so let's start. In the previous class, we have learnt about rounding of decimals, right? So let's do a quick revision regarding this rounding of decimals. Let's do it. So the first one is round off to 10th place. So first identify which digit is present in the 10th place, this one, and what is the digit that is present right next to this 10th place, this one, right? And we always compare it with 5. So it is less than 5, therefore no changes will happen. That means it is going to remain as 76.1. Right? Okay, next one is round off to 100th place. First identify the 100th place, 3. What is the digit right to this 100th place? That is 9, and 9 is greater than 5. So we always compare it with 5. That's why we will do a plus 1 to this 3 and our answer will become 22.74. Right? This will be our second answer. Round off to whole number. Whenever you have to round off to whole number, what do? We simply look at the digit right after the decimal point, that is 1, and 1 is less than 5, therefore no changes required. So we will simply write 206 point. Now all the digits after these decimal point will be turned into zeros like these. Okay, so ultimately we will be left with the answer 206 only. Therefore it has been rounded off to the whole number. Round off to ones place. Okay, so 2.3 and our ones place is over here 2. What is the digit right after the ones place? It is 3, right? And 3 is less than 5, therefore no changes will occur in this 2 and we will simply have the answer as 2. Actually it is 2.0, which means nothing but 2 only. Okay, so if you want to learn these in details, go to part 3 and watch rounding off. Now let's come to operations on decimals. Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Let's see. Suppose one day you go to market to buy some vegetables. You bought 1.5 kgs of potato, 0.75 kgs of tomato, 1.475 kgs of other vegetables. Can you tell me the total weight of the vegetables carried by you? We all know that we simply have to add the weight of all the vegetables to get the total weight of the vegetables. So, how do we do decimal addition? Okay, decimal addition is extremely easy. Simply look at one example, you can do everything else. So, first you write the decimal point in between for two numbers. Now see, in the first number, what is the digit before the decimal point? 2. What is the digit after the decimal point? 3. In the second number, what is the digit before the decimal point? 3. What are the digits after the decimal point? 4 and 2. Right? Bus. So it mainly deals with the arrangement, how you are arranging before the decimal point and after the decimal point. And when there is nothing, so for this 2, you can simply here write down 0, right? Because we know that after a decimal point towards the end, the zeros hold no value. So either we can cancel it off as well, we can add it also according to our convenience. Now what will you do? 2 plus 0, 2, 3 plus 4, 7, 2 plus 3, 5, and here you have your answer, right? Very, very easy. Let's solve some more examples. Okay, now let's try to find out the total weight of the vegetables carried by you. That means these 3 numbers, right? These were the total vegetables. So let's try to do this addition now. So decimal point for the first number, before the decimal point we have 1, so 1.5. Then it is 0.75. So 0.7 and 5. Next 1.475. That means 1.475. And here we will put 2 zeros and 1 zero for the convenience of our addition. So you will get 5. 5 plus 7, 12. So carry. And then you will have 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 4 will be 10. 10 plus 7 will be 17. So 1 carry. 7 comes over here. And 3. So our answer will be 3.725 kg. Right? So this is the total weight of the vegetables that we are carrying. Okay? Chalo, it's done. Let's solve one more addition. You also try to do it on your copy. We have 65.251, 32.72 and 4.9. Right? So here you can simply write down the zeros. Now 1, 5 plus 2, 7. 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. Then 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. So 1 carry 2 comes here. And then what will happen? So 3 plus 1 is 4 and 4 plus 6 is 10. So 102.871. This is our answer. Simple addition you have to do. You only need to focus on the arrangement of the decimals. Now, you bought 1.5 kg of potato, 0.75 kg of tomato and 1.475 kg of other vegetables. How much weight do you carry now? Okay, so what has happened if you lost the bag of tomatoes? Now, what has happened on your way? You have lost the bag of tomatoes. Then, how many you are carrying now? See, you can do it. Simple subtraction you have to do. So, we found out the total weight of the vegetables, right? Just we added 1.5, 0.75, 1.475 and we got the answer as 3.725. You lost the bag of tomatoes. That means we will be subtracting the weight of the tomatoes because we lost it, right? So here also deals with the arrangement. So 0 point, decimal point, after decimal point we have 7 and 5. This is what we need to minus. Simply put a 0 over here. So 5 minus 0, 5. This one take a borrow. You will get 7 over here. Again take a borrow and here it will be 2. And then 16 minus 7 will become 9.2. Here you have your answer 2.975. So it mainly deals with the arrangement. Okay, just look at the digits before the decimal point, look at the digits after the decimal point and simply subtract. That's all. See, subtract 3.3 minus 1.6. What will you do? So 3.3 minus 1.6. Okay, so first you take a borrow over here. We are turning it into 2. Here it will be 7 decimal point and 2 minus 1 will be 1. And here you have your answer. Okay, so this is how we are going to arrange it. Arrange in such a way that the decimal point will be in a vertical line. Okay, so it all depends on what you are writing before the decimal point, after the decimal point. All the decimal points should be in a sequence. Come to this. From 89.02 subtract 61.689. Okay, so all the decimal points are in a vertical line. Put a 0 over here. Now do the subtraction. 1 borrow, 1, 1. Again we will take a borrow. This will become 8. This will become 3, 3.72. So the answer came as 27.331. That's it. We are simply doing addition and subtraction. Just you have to keep in mind about the decimal point. The weight of a baby elephant was 219.99 kg. After 2 years, his weight increased by 109.85 kg. What is the weight of the baby elephant now? Okay, so before it was, suppose before the weight was 10 kg, and then later on it increased by 2 kg. So now it is 10 plus 2 kg, right? So simple addition we need to do. So here they have added it and they have got the present weight. So we simply need to add 219.99 plus we have to do 109.85, right? So now do it. 5 plus 9 is going to give you 14. Okay, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 8, 18. Then you will get over here 19, 2, and then 3. So 329.84, simple addition we have done, right? 329.84 is the present weight of the elephant now. If the weight of the mother elephant is 2105.9100 kg, then what is the weight difference between the mama elephant and the baby elephant? That difference means what? Subtraction we have to do. So first number is the weight of the mama elephant, right? So they have arranged it according to the decimal point so that they are all in the vertical line, and this is the weight of the baby elephant. Simple subtraction they have done. So 1 borrow 8, we are getting 7, 0. Here also we will take 1 borrow, this will become 9, 0. So 15 minus 9, 6, 9 minus 2, 7, 10 and 1. So it will become 7 and 1. Simple subtraction we are doing. This is the easiest topic on decimal. Okay, now we have a simplification. Alright, first let's do the addition. 74.8 and 68.79, right? And here we have a 0. So what will happen? 9 and 8 plus 7 will become 15, decimal point as it is. Now what will happen? So 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 8 is 13, 3, and then 7 plus 7 is 14. So we are getting the answer as 143.59. From this we are subtracting this. So let's subtract 143.59 minus we have to do 47.609. So here we have a 0. So 1, this becomes 8, 1, 8, this we will take a borrow, we will turn it into a 2, right? And then 15 minus 6 is going to give us a 9, this will become 12, this will become 3, so we will have a 5 over here. You know how to do the subtraction, right? And then 13 minus 4 is also going to give you 9. So we have the answer as 95.981. From this we need to subtract what? 7.08. So 7.08, right? Simply do the subtraction. So 109 point, this will get cancelled, 8 and 8. So your answer is 88.901. Got it? Very simple. Simply go with the flow. We have another solve. Try to do it yourself. Okay. Try to do it yourself. So 12.45. So we have addition, subtraction. So what? Let's do one thing. Let's do the... Okay, let's go with the flow only. So 12.45 minus 2.46. Let's do it. So this will become 15 and this will become 0. This will become 9 and 1 and this will become 1. This will become 6, 1 and 0. Try to do it yourself. So 9. Up to this we got 9.69 minus we have to do. Okay, minus we have already done. Now plus 2.04. So 4 plus 9 is 13. 7.11. Here you have your answer. Just simply go with the flow and you will be able to simplify. Now see, what should be added to 76.6 to get 90.0? So 276, suppose what should be added to 5 to get 9? 2. How did you get this 2? By doing, sorry, not 2, 4. So how did you get this 4? By doing 9 minus 5. That is 4. So here also we have to do subtraction. 90.0 minus 76.6. This will become borrowing. So this will become 4, 3 and 1. So we need to add 13.4 to 76.6 to get 90.0. And here you have your answer. Okay. Let's try this one now. By how much should 80.6 be increased to get 120? That means by how much 2 should be increased to get 5? 3. How did we get this 3? By doing 5 minus 2. That's the same thing we will do. 120 minus 80.6. So here after decimal point we have 0. This will become 10, 9 and 1. So 4.9. This will become 1 and 0. So it is coming as 39.4. Should be added to 80.6 to get the answer as 120. That's all. Addition, subtraction is the easiest topic of decimals. So we learned about addition of decimals, subtraction of decimals, and also representing the decimals on the number line. Okay, let's do this. All right, representing the decimals on the number line. So how you can solve it is, suppose we have 0.5. First you know how to represent the fractions on the number line, right? So what you will do is simply turn it into fraction at first. So how will you turn it into fraction? 0.5 by 1, and these I have covered. Okay, conversion of decimals into fractions, go and watch it. Into this will be 10 into 10 and 1 0, so it will be 5 by 10. That means it is half, right? And how can you represent half on the number line? Half will be present between 0 and 1, right? Now you convert this whole area into two parts, because here we have two. So representation of fractions on the number line. So we have divided this entire area into two. Okay, because two parts are there, and this part is our 1 by 2, half, or you can say 0.5. That's all. This is how we can represent the decimals on the number line. Simply convert the decimals into fractions and then you plot those fractions on the number line. Okay, suppose we have 1.5. First convert it into fractions, so you will get 15 by 10, right? And what is 15 by 10? 5 3s are 15 and 5 2s are 10. So you are getting the answer as 3 by 2, right? You are getting the answer as 3 by 2. Now, because this is an improper fraction, whenever you have an improper fraction, first convert it into mixed fraction. So you will get 1 whole 1 by 2, right? How did we get it? By doing this, simply by doing the division. Okay, so putting the remainder here and the divisor over here. So 1 whole 1 by 2. That means this is on the number line. This is going to lie between 1 and 2, because it is greater than 1, right? 1 whole and 1 by 2. Something extra is present, isn't it? Again, because on the denominator we have two parts, so you can simply divide this area into two parts. And what do we want? 1 whole and half, right? So this is our 1 whole and half. You can simply see it from here, or you can also call it as 1.5, right? This is how we can plot the decimals onto the number line. Simply convert it into fractions and then plot them. Suppose we have 0.08. First convert into fraction. What will happen? 8 by 100. Okay, do it on your own, solve it. So you will get 4 2s are 8 and 4 2s are 8, 2 0. So then you will get 5, right? So 2 by 25. Now when you have 2 by 25, then what you will do? This is a proper fraction, so it will lie between 0 and 1, right? Now you convert it into, divide this area into 25 parts. Why are we dividing this area into 25 parts? Because that is present in the denominator. So let's do it. 1 2 3 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17. Yes, so we have converted this entire area into 25 parts. Okay, try to maintain equal distances as well. All right, so here I don't have a scale with me, that's why I'm unable to divide it into equal distances. But when you have a scale, try to do it with the help of your scale. Now what will happen? So 2 by 25. So this is our 1 by 25 and this second one will be our 2 by 25. That means this part is our 0.08. Okay. This is how you can simply represent the decimals on the number line. So first convert the decimals into fractions and then do it. So if you have a proper fraction, it will be between 0 and 1. And if you have an improper fraction, convert it into mixed fraction and then plot it. Alright? Okay. Do you want to do some more examples? Suppose we have, alright, let's do another example for your reference. Suppose we have 2.6. Okay. So 2.6 means what? 26 by 10, right? Now you reduce it. So 2 ones are 2, 3 and then 2 fives are. So improper fraction, convert it into mixed fraction. So how will you do it? 13 divided by 5, 5 twos are 10. Here we have 3. So 2 whole, 3 by 5. 2 whole, 3 by 5. That means 2 whole and 3 by 5. So it is greater than 2 but less than our 3. So it is between 2 and 3. And on the denominator we have 5. So divide this area into 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have divided the area into 5 parts and we are looking at the third part. So this is 1, 2, 3, third part, right? So this is our answer. This one stands for 2 whole 3 by 5. Got it? Simple. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, please write down your doubt on the comment section below and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to hit on the notification bell. Share this video with your friends and family so that we all can come together and learn together. See you soon with another new topic. Take care. Bye-bye.